Hi guys, so seats. Now, my car never came with seats. And as daft as it sounds, I bought like 5 interiors. Because I'm just really not sure what interior I want to go for. At the moment, I've got my Mk2 Recaros fitted. I'll show you. I mean, these are really nice, cheap seats. I mean, cheap in comparison to normal Recaros. However, I've bought a set of rainbows, a set of ultra reds. I'm not sure those are what the other ones are called, but it's like a grey, red tartan. I mean, they're all nice. However, I'm thinking I'd like to get these retrimmed in a Mk2 GTI interior. But I think for the price you get, the quality is fantastic. It really does look nice. I mean, to be fair, there's nothing absolutely wrong with the seats. I just want it to look a bit more period correct, but yeah. So I actually travelled 13 hours for these Recaros, as daft as it sounds. I went all the way down to Southampton. I'm not too far from Leeds, so as you can imagine, it's a long journey. But yeah, I like them. Curious, what other seats have you all got fitted? And I sold one of my interiors to a guy who was restoring an 8 valve, and he had previously had Civic seats in. I mean, he couldn't wait to take them out, but yeah, what have you all got fitted? Quite interested to see. Have you got any other weird car mods, seats wise,